like. Thank you so much. 34 viewers. Hello po. $29 and $5. Thank you so much, guys. Yes po, sir. Thank you sa 5 sa 5th like. Thank you so much po. 29. Hello. Ang dami kanina. Umabot ako ng 200 viewers. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Ngarang garing. 37 viewers and 5. Hello, guys. Thank you, sir. Maraming salamat po. Namimiss po kayo ni Ate Orang. Sobra. 39 and 5. Hello po sa 39. Hello 45. Samuga sihat. I don't understand. Can you speak to me in English? Ngarang garing. Just English only. I don't understand what are you talking. 45 and 5. Hello po. Hello sa 38. Ha? Sorry, nak. Hello sa 38. Hello po. $54 viewers. Thank you so much. Kahit hindi nagla-like, okay lang din. Huwag mamilit. Hindi naman. Okay lang naman. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Okay lang po. Walang problema sa pagpunta. Okay lang din naman talaga, sir. Walang problema. Masaya nga kaming pumunta kay. Ako pala, masaya. Si ate lang kasi medyo malungkot yan. Rosie, hello sa Rosie. Hindi, sir, okay lang talaga. 49 viewers and 5. Bruzy. Bruzy, are you channel Bruzy? Hello sa 49. Ayaw nyo na pong pumunta kay ate? Are you not going to read my comments back to me before you answer? Okay. Is that right? Maybe I should have gone to her live. Did I make a mistake coming here? No, it's okay, sir. Okay lang talaga. Masaya nga ako pa lang napunta ka. Are you not going to read my comments back to me before your answer? Oh, yun, nabasa ko na. Say hello from Indonesia. Hello from Indonesia. Bungkay family. Hello, Bungkay family. Gorgeous. Okay, gorgeous na. Thank you.